You must think I got you joking when I say I don't think I can wait. I just
okay. What is to make it stay? So hey y'all, I am back. As you can read from the title of this video, I'm going to be doing some soft locks on this big old head. What it comes with real quick, I got this from Amazon like always. I'll put the link down below. So these aren't Bobby Boss Nula locks. They're like an off-brand version that was cheaper. I got them already, just so y'all was wondering. I got 6 packs, and one of the packs I counted came with 21 locks. So these are how they look. I'll take it out the package. I heard these is just like a faster way to do faux locks, since I love doing faux locks. You can see by every video on my channel, it's factory faux locks. And this ain't no different. I'm not gonna count these because I already counted a pack off camera. Assume it is 21 in these as well. That's an odd number, but it's 21. I got this in a 1B, so it is black even though my hair is like brown. So we're gonna get into this video. So this is how my hair looks right now. I know I'll be looking like a little chicken head on camera, but I don't care. I really don't. So yeah, I'm gonna come back with my whole hair plaited. I want to show you how far I've gotten. These little old braids on me. I did one just to see if I could do it because I wasn't gonna waste my time. I'll be back.
read
She
more
was
than
even
that.
sitting there calling him names.
Hold on. You must have read more than that.
It was like so long ago, I don't even remember.
You don't remember?
No, I don't remember. Seriously, word for word, I couldn't tell you.
So you're saying even if he fails, he paid his price for his crime, you're staying with him?
Exactly.
Okay.
I'm innocent. I am innocent. You're a pervo. Can't stand you. Like, just, I want you.
So I'm nowhere near done. I think it's because I'm procrastinating. Y'all see it though? Like I cut them, and they don't look bad at the end. Still, I was scared to cut them in case they look weird, but they didn't. So whatnot, but I don't know if these is faster than the other ones or not. Maybe clock. I stopped for a little bit. It's already 1:49. I pre-braided my hair the night before. My back's hurting from slouching so much. Hopefully I'll be back with my hair all done. Yeah. So I'm almost done. I'm done with installing all the locks now. And I'm just gonna go through and wrap them. Like I wrapped some. Like you can tell I wrapped some, but I didn't wrap the others. Okay, yo, this is the finished look. I got a shirt on. But these are my faux locks, my soft locks. I'm gonna be honest with y'all because this is an honesty channel. I am not done, but I'm done. Like, I'm probably not gonna do anymore. It's not because they took too long. It's just because I'm a lazy person. But they're done enough. Like, I probably still, like, as I go on through my life, I'll probably add some in, wrap some spring twist hair around it more, and you know. But right now, that's my nose ring. But right now, I'm done, and I want to get this video edited so I can post it. This is filmed on my phone, but anyways, thank you for watching my video.